This video is how to create an audio portion to read a test question or create a question for a spelling test. So I am going to fill the blank. I am going to say, click on the box, or click on the play button to hear a word. Write the word in the blank below. Now, with that, after that, of course, you would use your shift and underscore button to create your response. I would go to Tools. Here we have the option to upload a video player and other things over here. Upload audio or record audio. So you would click the microphone in order to create the audio. Spell the word supper. Mom said I had to be home to eat supper with the family. Write the word supper. So then I'm at stop. I can hear myself spell the word supper. So I'm okay with that. I'm uploading it. I mash OK. Of course, here's my bar right here. I write the word correctly in the drop-down box, and then I preview the question. So the students know to click on the play button. Of course, this doesn't need to be a drop-down box. It needs to be a fill in the blank. They click on the play button to hear the word. Spell the word supper.